Ever stared at a photo that just feels beyond repair? Today, we're diving into how to rescue those low-quality shots in Lightroom, transforming them from dismal to decent. Our mission is to tackle common issues like nose, blur, and poor exposure, giving even challenging images a new lease on life. First up, nose reduction. Navigate to the detail panel here. You'll find sliders for luminance and color. Nose reduction. Carefully adjust luminance to smooth out graininess. Don't overdo it, or your photo will look plastic. Then, tackle any color speckles with the color slider. Next, we'll bring back some crispness with sharpening. Still in the detail panel, move the amount slider to enhance edges. You can also refine this with radius and detail to control the sharpening effect, and masking, which helps protect smooth areas from over-sharpening. For exposure issues, head to the basic panel. Adjust the exposure slider to brighten a dark image or rein in an overexposed one. Then, bring out details in darker areas by increasing the shadows. Finally, for intelligent repair, the healing brush and clone stamp tools are your best friend. Select a healing brush from the toolbar. Simply brush over small imperfections or distracting elements, and Lightroom will intelligently blend them away, making your image much cleaner. By applying these basic yet powerful techniques, you can surprisingly enhance even your trickiest shots, making the most out of challenging source material. Give your low-quality photos a second chance and subscribe for more Lightroom tips.